Hey guys, today we'll be setting up this moes smart light that works with Matter and Wi-Fi. Today we won't connect it to Wi-Fi, but we will try Matter and try connecting it to Google Home. Now let's get this unboxed. First thing we get is this instruction manual, which I think must have the Matter QR code inside. Yep, it has the Matter code inside, just in case the QR code on the light bulb itself is too tiny for our camera to see. Okay, and we got this white box which has the light bulb inside. Yeah. Okay. And the tiny Matter logo is in here along with the Matter number. It's quite small. It's a bit smaller than my current light bulb that I'm going to be replacing. But let's go through this instruction. Okay, I've gone through the instructions. It's not that much, but this light bulb does not support color changing. I mean, there are more expensive ones, but I just needed warm white, normal white, and cool white. So that's why I chose this. Anyways, I'm gonna go and plug this in to my socket and get back to you. So I did buy two of these light bulbs, one over there and one over here. If I go and turn on the switch right now, since that one's already set up, this one should start blinking. And now because it's blinking, it's ready to go and get set up. So let's go to the Google Home app and get this set up. We are now in the Google Home app. Let's try and set up our device. Add a device. Now we scan the QR code. Okay, next. Agree. I'm ready. To turn off my VPN. Okay. Now it's connecting to our light bulb. Now this light bulb did support Wi-Fi, but I chose to connect it this way because it's a lot shorter. Plus, if I connected it to Smart Life, I would anyways connect it to Google Home again, and I would get the same amount of compatibility as if I were to connect it through Matter. That's why it's a lot easier to do it this way. This is on the right side, so I'm gonna put right. Okay, now let's wait for it to connect. Now it stopped blinking, so it's connected. Now here, living room lights. I got all of these. Okay, so these are the two light bulbs. We're gonna see how responsive they are from the Google Home app. Okay, it's quite responsive. Yeah, that is quite responsive actually, because I turn it off or on, it has to go to my Nest Hub and then to the light bulb. But normally it would go to like the cloud and then the other cloud and then the device over Wi-Fi. So it takes a bit longer, but now it's more responsive to turn on and off. Brightness, the lowest it can get is 1%. Oh, it's so hard to go to 1%. Oh, Okay, that's the brightness it can be at 1%. If I go closer over there, 1 second. I'm not so sure if y'all can see, but it's a lot um not that bright compared to that one over there. Darker. It's not that bright compared to that one over there. It's actually pretty good. Like if at night I recorded this, it would look quite good actually. So I'm gonna give this light bulb a 9 out of 10, except for the fact that because it's a bit small, it looks a bit funnier than my old light bulbs. But other than that, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.